Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorite breakfast meals with you, Jungle Semolina Wheat from South Africa. It has a smooth texture and a rich, comforting taste, perfect if you're looking for a quick, nutritious, and delicious meal. Let me show you how I make mine. First, you'll need the Jungle Semolina cereal. You can usually find it online or at a South African butcher shop. Sadly, most regular supermarkets don't carry it. This step is optional, but I like to sift the wheat first. It makes the texture extra smooth. Just be sure to use the right amount. Next, add some water. Just enough, not too much. Place the pot on medium heat and start whisking until the wheat absorbs the water. Now for my secret ingredient, cashew nuts. As always, I wash and blend them with a little water to create fresh cashew milk. Whisk in a little water to prevent burning. Doesn't it look beautiful? Add a pinch of salt. I use sea salt, but any kind works. And sweeten it with honey. I recommend organic honey for the best flavor, though sugar works too. Once the honey is mixed in, pour in the cashew milk and give it a good stir. Finally, sprinkle in some cinnamon powder. And that's it. Your wheat semolina is ready to enjoy. Hopefully, you'll be able to find the Jungle brand wherever you are.
5 minutes later.
It's so tasty. I always end up scraping the bowl and the pot clean. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching and happy eating.